Come to comfortable seated position. Right leg front, tall spine. Roll your shoulders back. Relax your shoulders. Rest your palm on your knees. Close your eyes. Little bit tuck your chin. Deep inhale through your nose. Deep exhale through your nose. Inhale through your nose, fill your lungs, fill your belly. Exhale, open your mouth side out. Couple more like this. Now circle your head 3 times in one direction, 3 times in the opposite way. Inhale, half circle. Exhale, back to center. Other way. Now circle your shoulders. Inhale, half circle. Exhale, back to center. Others, opposite side. Now sitting cat cow. Inhale, belly front, chest front, look up. Exhale, tuck your belly in, curl your spine, tuck your chin. Last one. Now inhale, both arms up, look up. Exhale, right hand on the mat, left hand over top of your head, bend over to your right side. Inhale, back to center, both arms up, look up, exhale, other side. Left hand down, right arm up. Inhale, release. Both arms up, look up, exhale, left hand on your right knee, right hand behind you. Breathe in, tall spine, exhale, twist over to your right side. Release, both arms up, look up, exhale, right hand on your left knee, left hand behind you. Inhale, tall spine, exhale, twist. Release, butterfly legs, sole of your feet touching together. Open your knees wider. Inhale, tall spine, exhale, hinge forward. Inhale, slowly bring your body up. Extend your right leg out, left foot in. Inhale, both arms up, look up, exhale, right hand on your left knee. Then bend towards your extended leg. Inhale, release, turn your body over to your extended leg, right leg. Inhale, tall spine, exhale, sink forward, forward fold. Inhale, bring your body up. Bend your left leg like this. Bring your right leg in front of you. One fist distance between your left foot and your right leg. Bring your right arm inside of your left arm inside of your left leg. Bring your body front and rotate your arm clockwise direction, thumb facing down, and make a bind. Interlock your fingers. Inhale, tall spine. Exhale, twist over to your right side. Slowly release. Now, Left leg out, right foot in. Inhale, both arms up, look up, exhale, left hand on your right knee and bend over to left. Right arm over top of your head, palm facing down. Inhale, release, turn your body over to your left leg. Inhale, tall spine, exhale, forward fold. Bring your body up, fold your right leg, extend your left leg in front of you. 1 fist distance between your right foot and left leg. So bring your right arm inside of your right leg. Bring your body front and rotate your arm anti-clockwise direction and make a bind. Inhale, tall spine. Exhale, twist over to left. Slowly release. Extend both legs in front of you. Inhale, sit tall. Exhale, hinge forward. Paschimottanasana. Inhale, release. Now, legs are wider like this. Inhale, tall spine. Exhale, hinge forward. Slowly release. Now, so right leg front 90 degrees and left leg back like this. Inhale, sit tall. Exhale, turn your body over to your right side. Inhale, release, tall spine. Exhale, hinge over to your right foot. Slowly release and Gomukhasana, right leg on top of your left leg. Stack your knees, sit tall. Now Left arm over top of your right arm. Make a twine twist, eagle arms. Inhale, lift your elbows up. Tuck your chin little bit. Deep inhale and exhale through your nose. Inhale, tall spine. Exhale, forward fold. Gently bring your body up. Release your arms. Release your legs. Now, left leg front. L shape, make a L shape. Right leg back. Sit tall. Inhale. Exhale. Turn your body over to left side. Gently release. Inhale, sit tall. Exhale, hinge forward over to your left foot. Slowly release. Now, left leg over top of your right. Stack your knees. Right arm over top of your left. Twine twist, eagle arms. Inhale, lift your elbows up. Tuck your chin little bit. Deep breathe in and breathe out through your nose. Inhale, tall spine. Exhale, forward fold. Slowly release your arms, release your legs. Come to tabletop. Untuck your toes, your knees just below your hip in hip distance. Sit on your heels. Inhale, right elbow up, left elbow down. Interlock your fingers in between your shoulder blades area. Release. Shake, 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 shake. Now, left elbow top, right elbow down. Interlock your fingers. Gently release your arms and invite your body to child resting pose. Big toes touch, knees apart, sink your hip back, extend your arms, relax your forehead down. Inhale, lift your forehead up, elbows up. Exhale, walk your hands over to your right side. Relax your forehead on the mat. Inhale, lift your head, lift your elbows, walk your hands to the center. Exhale, over to the left. Slowly release. Bring your body up. Inhale, tall spine. Exhale, left hand on your right knee, right hand behind you. Twist over to right side. Release. Inhale, tall spine. Exhale, other side. Right hand on left knee, left hand behind you, tall spine. Exhale, twist over to left side. Slowly release. Now, send your both arms behind you. Interlock your fingers. Inhale, chest front. Bring your shoulder blades closer to each other. Look up. Now, slowly forward fold, child pose with interlocked fingers. Rest your forehead on the mat. If possible, lift your arms up. Release your arms and bring your body up. Now, with the child pose legs, so bring your body back like this. Your both hands behind you. If possible, just please feel free to stay in this pose. If possible, your forearms down like this. Inhale, bring your body up slowly. Tabletop. Your knees in hip distance, just below your hip. Untuck your toes. Your hands below your shoulders. Spread out your fingers. Cat cow. Inhale, your belly down, chest front, look up. Exhale, tuck your belly in, curl your spine, tuck your chin. Last one. Inhale, neutral spine. Now, puppy dog pose. Slide your hands front. Now, bring your chest down. Either your chin on the mat or forehead on the mat. Your hip just above your knees. Slowly bring your body to back to tabletop. Next, inhale, right arm up. Exhale, send your right arm below your body, palm facing up. Right face on the mat. Extend your left arm. Slowly release. Now, other side, left arms up, arm up. Exhale, left face down. Extend your right arm front. Gently release. Now, bring your right foot front beside your right thumb. Sink your left knee back. Sink your body front. Your right ankle just below your right knee. Please feel free to stay in this. Step 2. If available, bring your both hands on your right knee. Step 3. Arms up to the sky. Slowly release. Send your right leg back. Bring your left foot front beside your left thumb. Slide your right knee back. Sink your body front. If available, both hands on your left knee or arms up to the sky. Relax your shoulders. Slowly release. Lie down on your back. Hug your knees. Gently rock side to side. Give a gentle massage to your back. Happy baby. Now, extend your left leg to the mat. Hug your right knee in and extend your left arm over top of your head. Now, hold your right knee with your left hand. Extend your right arm and take your right leg, final twist. Right leg over to left, your gaze over to right. Slowly release. Now extend your right leg to the mat. Hug your left knee in. Right arm over top of your head. Sorry, left knee in. Now hold your left knee with your right hand. Extend your left arm. Take your left leg over to right. Gaze over to left. Slowly release. Hug your both knees in. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. And exhale to final Savasana. Both legs in mat weight. Rest your arms beside your body. Let your palm face the ceiling. Let your fingers naturally curl. Close your eyes.